Inlet.
The inlet of the Dosatron system has a few different key components, such as a pressure regulating valve or pressure adjustable boosting pump, a check valve, and a start valve. In this system, we have the option of using municipal water or RO water for testing purposes. Most likely, your system will only have one or the other. When using a municipal water source, we recommend the use of a pressure regulating valve to protect against unregulated municipal pressures. When using a pressure adjustable pump from a water holding tank, we do not need to have a pressure regulating valve installed in the system. If your system has one, we recommend either removing it or setting it to its maximum pressure setting. Dosatron D14 series units have a maximum pressure rating of 85 psi, and the D40 series units have a maximum pressure rating of 116 psi. With municipal water, adjust your pressure regulating valve to stay within this pressure range. If using a pressure adjustable pump to pull water from a holding tank, adjust the pressure setting on the pump to stay within this pressure range. We recommend a starting pressure of 65 psi. At the beginning of the dosing rack, we have a check valve and a start valve. The check valve prevents possible backflow of nutrients and cross-contamination in the system. The start valve is used as an easy access point to enable or disable an individual dosing rack. This valve is most often used when needing to depressurize the system for adjustment or service.